Hello guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm making a fresh tilapia fish stew. It is a very simple recipe, and with me I have a pan. I heated it, put oil, and I'm frying some onions. Add your garlic to the pan and fry shortly because we don't want our garlic to burn. Then I've just added the spring onions and the green capsicum to the pan. Add your carrots and tomato paste. I'm going to use 70 grams of tomato paste, and we are not using any tomatoes in this stew. So just fry them, and we are going to add the potatoes. I like to put potatoes in my stews. So I've just added some turmeric. That was a half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to add some quarter teaspoon of paprika and salt. So just stir everything together. Fish is very tasty. I love fish. It's nutritious. It's a very good dish, especially the stews. They're so nice. I have so many fish recipes on this channel. You can just check in the playlist for fish, and you see so many of the recipes that I have shared with you. So just add water, which is enough for you to cook this fish. You don't need too much water because the fish itself is full of lots of water, and fish cooks for a short while. So I'm just going to let it boil until it's fully cooked. As you can see, the stew looks very good. Looks very, very good. Thank you guys for watching the video.